Hi! Within this lecture, we're going to download a software called Android Studio to our computers. And this is a software in order to run Android Studio, run Android code, build some Android applications and stuff. So this is an integrated development environment, IDE, for Android. This is the official software for Android development. In order to get this, just go to developer.android.com. And again, this is the official website of Android developers actually, and not only you can find the Android Studio, but also you can find some great resources regarding to Android development as well, like some kind of documentation, some kind of guides, like images and stuff, everything that you need for Android development. And we're looking for Android Studio. It's generally located on the upper side of this web page. When you click it, you will see the latest version of Android Studio. So all you have to do is just click on the download button, and it doesn't matter if you see 3.5 or 3.7 or 3.9 for versions. Okay, if something changes that can cause some kind of confusion, I'm gonna update the lectures. So if you see some kind of 3.789, just download it and install it in the way that I do. Okay, so it is obviously going to take some time, and I have downloaded this before, so I'm going to cancel this and I'm going to just continue with my own file over here. So I'm going to say run this as an administrator in order to prevent some kind of collision from the antivirus, or some kind of prevention from the antivirus solutions. And you can just right click and say run as an administrator, or you can double click on it and see if it works or not. So it's taking some time and it will ask me for some kind of permission. I'm going to give it, okay? And this will try to verify the setup, and then we will continue. So once it's done, I'm going to be displayed this screen, and I'm going to select the location that I'm installing this to, and the default one is most of the time okay. So I'm going to go for program files, Android Studio, and I'm going to say install. So this can take a while, so I suggest you pause the video and come back when you finish, because it will install a lot of dependencies, a lot of libraries, and a lot of softwares on your computer, so this can take a while. And after it's done, you will see a screen like this, and you can just say start Android Studio and click on finish. So if it doesn't start for you, I believe I'm having the same problem here. It doesn't start for me as well right now. As you can see, you can find where you have saved it, and you can just click on it in order to open this Android Studio. Okay, and in my case, I don't have an icon on desktop as well for some reason. It didn't even ask me to create one, right? So what I'm going to open this, okay, the Windows tab, and I'm going to search for Android Studio, or you can find it from your program files over here. So whether you go for here or there doesn't matter, just find Android Studio and double click on it, or just click once, and it will open the installation for you. As you can see, it's asking for me to import the existing stuff. I'm going to say do not import, because I'm going to install it from scratch with you guys. Obviously I had Android Studio on my computer before, but I'm now going to install it from scratch. For some reason, if you have to install it one more time, you can also say do not import as well, in order to start fresh. So first time we open this, it can take a while. After that, it will be much more faster. So it's asking me if we want to send data to Google. I don't want to share any of my data. Okay, I'm going to say don't send, and I'm going to continue with the installation process. So this will download some list of SDKs, and we're going to see what an SDK is. But if you come to this point, then we can stop, because after this it's all the same with Macs and Windows and Linuxes. It doesn't matter what operating system you're on. So I'm going to show you how to install this on Mac as well, and then we're going to continue with one operating system for the rest of the section.